In this session we are going to discuss about the again some additional notes which is based on average speed and average velocity. Okay, let's start with this one, additional notes. Okay, see this one. So out of this first one, if x is a function of x, if x is a function of, then x is represent what? Distance, displacement, not the distance, as we discussed in the previous sessions. Okay, we discuss about in detail. If any function x is a function of t, actually there is a printing mistake, x is a function of t, my mistake, x is a function of t, then x is represent displacement, not the distance. So if you consider this situation, then if you consider any function, then function is gives average velocity, not the average speed. Okay, average speed का equation क्या होता है? Distance upon time, and average velocity displacement upon time. If this function gives only displacement, then this function is only gives a velocity, not the average speed. Okay, you must be noted. You must be noted. Means if if x is equal to 2t plus 3, ऐसा कुछ इक्वेशन आपको दिया, so x is a function of t. So इसमें आप फाइंड करते हो कि t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 4 सेकेंड, t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 4 सेकेंड में एवरेज स्पीड फाइंड करो तो डायरेक्टली नहीं फाइंड कर सकते, लेकिन एवरेज वेलोसिटी फाइंड करो तो आप डायरेक्टली फाइंड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, so this is a important note. And one another note is this one, how we get this answer. See, one general formula, if v is a function of x, if v is a function of x where x is varies from x initial to x final, then average velocity is given by this equation, which is the use of integration, and we already discussed about in the detail. V average is equal to integration x initial to x final v dx upon x final minus x initial, and average function is, this function is only straight line. This is second formula is only applicable for straight line function. Okay, if v is equal to this type of forward x plus b, so see y is equal to mx plus c, ऐसा कुछ इक्वेशन है तो मतलब ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है. देखो इफ स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो आपको एवरेज के लिए डायरेक्टली यही करना है, v इनिशियल प्लस v फाइनल अपॉन 2, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. If the straight line is given to you, then you just using this formula v initial plus v final upon 2, you get the final answer. Okay, so that is one additional note. Let's see solve some example based on this, so we have so our idea will be clear. Let's see one example. If velocity of an object is this one, v is equal to 3x plus 4, then find the average velocity between x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 4. Let's find this one, very simple. So v average is equal to integration x initial to x final v dx upon x final minus x initial, ऐसा कुछ होगा. So let's we write this all this limits here. So this is what x initial, this is what x final. So put this each values here. So integration 2 to 4, what is v? 3x plus 4 dx upon final minus initial, so 4 minus 2. Separate this integration, so is equal to integration को separate करो तो 3 integration x dx 2 to 4 plus की साइन integration 4 outside कुछ नहीं मतलब 1, so 1 dx into here the limit is 2 to 4 upon 4 minus 2. So use the power rule. So what is the answer finally? So 3 into this x raised to 1. What is this x? X raised to 1. So take a increase the 1 power and new power is comes into the denominator. So x raised to 1 means कितना होगा? X raised to 2 upon 2. X raised to 2 upon 2. Take a limit. So limit is 2 to 4 plus 4 as it is. 1 dx का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है? x हमें पता ही है, as we solve during this example integration problems. So 2 to 4 upon 4 minus 2. Put this all value. So 3 by 2 outside. Now x square, only x is replaced by the limit square as it is. So upper limit minus lower limit. Before we are putting the lower limit, we use the negative. So x square means 4 square. Now use the lower limit. So lower limit is 2. So use the negative sign, minus 2 square plus 4. Use the upper limit. So 4 minus 2 अपॉन 4 minus 2. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स वी सॉल्व आउट दिस एवरीथिंग. सो 4 square 16 minus 2 square 4, so 16 minus 4 12, so 3 upon 2 into 12 plus 4 minus 2 2, so 4 into 2 8 upon 4 minus 2 2. So you just find the answer, then you get the final answer is what? 30. What do you get the final answer? 30. So as this way we just get the any average value for by the using of integration. Okay, all of you guys must be note this example in your books properly. And this one, if you consider this situation, then any function is only gives a average velocity, not the average speed. Here we are not confirmed. See first, okay, here we are not confirmed. This 13 is only this velocity. Actually this is average velocity. If you, so maybe this average speed is also 30, but maybe not, that depends on situation. But this equation is given to us, then it is only gives us value of average velocity, not the average distance. Okay, sorry, average speed. Why? Because any function gives us only average, only any function gives us only displacement. So due to this we get the answer of velocity, not the speed. Okay, all of you must be note this. If you understand in more, then you just take one another example. If x is equal to t square minus 2t, and the question is what? Find average velocity and speed from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2 सेकेंड. चलो ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन है, आप ट्राई करना होमवर्क में. ठीक है, you just try to solve out this problem by yourself in homework. We already solved this example in our previous session. We find the displacement and distance separately. So you are go through this one, and you just clearly you get this one. By using this equation you will get the only displacement. If you want to distance, then using the one special method. Okay, so we already solved this example in our previous sessions. So you are go through this one and find this. This is in homework. Okay, so by this example, if you solve this example, then you must be understand this one. Okay, first you note this. See, you understand about this one. You understand about this, then you finally get the answer. Okay, not this everything in your books. Let's see next one. Another additional one, only for average speed. So there is a two formula we have. How many formula we have? 2. So out of this one, let's we derive this formulas first. So case 1, here the distance same. Here first case is what? Distance same. Means what? Suppose any object is somewhere here. If cover some distance and moving with the speed v1, and cover some distance d. Okay, after the same object is moving with the speed v2 and cover the same distance d. Then find the average velocity, average speed during this motion. फाइंड द एवरेज स्पीड ड्यूरिंग दिस मिशन. मतलब यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस सेम होना चाहिए. तो दोनों केस में डिस्टेंस कितना है? डी और डी है. स्पीड कितने? v1 एंड v2. सो व्हाट इज एवरेज स्पीड? एवरेज स्पीड इज इक्वल टू, क्या बोला मैंने? डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. तो फॉर्मूला सेम ही है, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है. तो डिस्टेंस कितना है देखो इसमें. सो डी प्लस डी. टोटल टाइम कौन से करो? t1 प्लस t2. टोटल टाइम ले लो यहाँ पे t1 प्लस t2. तो आंसर क्या होगा? देखो 2d अपॉन टाइम का फॉर्मूला क्या था? टाइम. दिस टाइम इज कंसिडर्ड t1 एंड दिस टाइम इज कंसिडर्ड t2. तो t1 के टाइम स्पीड v1 है, तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा? d अपॉन v1. t2 का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? d अपॉन v2. ऐसा होगा. सो लेट्स वी पुट दिस वैल्यू हियर, सो वी गेट द फाइनल आंसर. सो व्हाट इज दिस t? सो d अपॉन v1 प्लस d अपॉन v2. सो व्हाट इज दिस फाइनली? 2d upon d common out, 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2. So what is average speed in this case? So this, see, d and d cancel out, d and d cancel out. Okay, so answer is what? 2 upon 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2. So let's take some simplification. So answer is what? 2 upon v1 plus v2 upon v1 v2. Take a cross multiplication. Okay, so this v1 is comes on this side, v2 is comes on this side, and this side. Denominator comes to the numerator. What is final answer? Average speed is equal to 2 v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. But what is the required condition here? This case 1 is required. You must be not this. Case 1, if distance is same and the object means same distance is covered with the different speed. If the same distance is covered with the different speed, then how we get the answer of the average speed? Then your answer is what? Average speed is equal to 2 v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. You remember this formula directly. Remember the formula. Okay, directly. ये पूरा calculation याद ना रहा तो कुछ बात नहीं. When this type of example asking to us, we use this formula directly. Okay, all of you guys must be not this first case. Then after we are go to the second case. Okay, not this first case. Distance same. You must be remember this. When the distance same, use this formula. Okay, let's see second case. Case 2. Time same. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट मूव हो रहा है, टाइम सेम है. देखो यहाँ से द ऑब्जेक्ट इज समवेयर हियर मूविंग विद द v1 एंड कितने टाइम तक मूव किया? सी सपोज t1 इज इक्वल टू t. ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पे पहुँच गया? यहाँ पे. नाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूविंग विद द स्पीड v2. कितने टाइम तक मूव किया? t2 इज इक्वल टू t. ऑब्जेक्ट इज समवेयर हियर. So first distance is covered suppose d1 and second distance is covered suppose d2. So first केस में t1 और t2 था, यहाँ पे t सेम है. देखो दोनों के केस में टाइम तो सेम है, लेकिन फर्स्ट स्पीड v1 है, सेकंड स्पीड v2 है. फर्स्ट डिस्टेंस कितना कवर किया? d1. तो d1 कितना होगा यहाँ पे? v1 इंटू टी होगा. d2 कितना होगा यहाँ पे? v2 इंटू टी होगा ऐसे. सो लेट्स वी फाइंड द आंसर ऑफ एवरेज स्पीड. सो एवरेज स्पीड फॉर्मूला तो सेम ही रहेगा. क्या? डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता. टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना कवर किया? d1 प्लस d2 अपॉन टाइम कितना लगा? t1 प्लस t2. सो व्हाट इज द फाइनल आंसर? सी d1 कितना है? v1t प्लस d2 कितना है? v2t अपॉन t1 कितना है? t. t2 कितना है? obt. वाई? बिकॉज बोथ आर सेम. t1 इज इक्वल टू t2 इज इक्वल टू t. This both are same. So tt cancel out from the numerator and denominator. So answer is what? v1 upon v2 upon 2. So that is average speed. Again, all of you guys must be remember this formula directly. Must be remember this formula directly. Okay, whenever this type of case is given to you, you just using this equation directly to solve out the different problem. Okay, all of you guys must be note this. Then after we are go to this some solution of the some example. Okay, note it. Let's see. So additional note about the average speed. So when the distance is same, average speed is 2 v1 v2 upon v2 and v1 plus v2, and the time is same, the average speed is v1 plus v2 upon 2. Average speed, I am not telling about the average velocity, average speed, I am telling about average speed. You must be note it. Okay, let's we solve some example. A vehicle travel a distance L with a speed of 10 meter per second, cover a same distance. See, कवर सेम मतलब L1 इज इक्वल टू मतलब कि D1 इज इक्वल टू D2 इज इक्वल टू कितना है? L है. और कवर सेम डिस्टेंस विद 15 मीटर पर सेकेंड. फाइंड द एवरेज स्पीड ओवर द एंटायर जर्नी. सो एवरेज स्पीड में सेम कौन सा है? डिस्टेंस सेम है, तो ये डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला करो. एवरेज v इज इक्वल टू 2 v1 v2 अपॉन v1 प्लस v2. तो इसमें v1 क्या है? देखो, दिस इज v1 and this is v2. Put here, you get the answer directly. So 2 into 10 into 15 upon 10 plus 15. So find this answer by yourself, meter per second. So you get the answer directly within a 2 steps. But उसके लिए आपको ये फॉर्मूला पता होना चाहिए. लेकिन ये फॉर्मूला कब यूज होता है? when the d is same. when the d is same. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है सेम डिस्टेंस. देखो क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे, सेम डिस्टेंस. सो डिस्टेंस इज कवर्ड बाय इन दिस टू केस इज सेम विद द डिफरेंट स्पीड, देन यूज द डायरेक्टली यूज दिस फॉर्मूला, यू गेट द आंसर. Okay, try to solve this example by yourself. Now let's see another example on the same one. A man walking for 1 hour with 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मतलब कोई पर्सन है 1 hour तक वॉक करता है 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर से, एंड वॉकिंग फॉर अगेन 1 hour. सी 1 hour and 1 hour means time is same, means what, time is same with the speed is 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर. फाइंड द एवरेज स्पीड ओवर द जर्नी. सो एवरेज स्पीड इज इक्वल टू, कि कौन सा इक्वेशन होगा, सेकंड होगा. सो व्हाट इज आंसर, v1 प्लस v2 अपॉन 2. सो आंसर क्या होगा, v1 क्या है, a v1 है, v2 क्या है, a v2 है. तो आंसर क्या होगा 5 प्लस 4 अपॉन 2. आंसर कितना होगा 9/2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. You get this? How we solve this problem? Okay. By the using of this equation, you get the answer directly. All of you guys must be note this. Then after we are go to this next. Okay. Note it. Let's see. Practice example which is based on average velocity direction problem. You must be remember it properly. Okay. Let's see. A particle moves towards east for a 2 second with the velocity 15 meter per second and moves towards the north for 8 seconds with a 5 meter per second. The average velocity of the particle is what? Find the average velocity of particle. मतलब कि देखो यहाँ पे नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट फेसेस है, तो आपको मतलब अपना पेज ऐसे सामने रखना है. यू जस्ट टेक अ पेज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, देन यूज दिस नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट. यूज दिस, सी नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट. Again, you just take a page in front of your face and then you use this type of direction. See, north, south, east, west. Use the right hand, north, south, east, west. Okay. So let's we draw this figure. North, south, east, west. You must be remember this figure because it is quite helpful when we when we are solving the different problem. Then this direction is must be important. So again, north, south, east, west, north, south, east, west, north, south, east, west. Okay. So north, south, east, west. Okay. How what is this case? A particle is moves towards east. मतलब कि यहाँ पे मोशन स्टार्ट कहाँ से करनी है, ओरिजिन से. तो कौन सा दिस वन, दैट इज द इनिशियल पोजिशन. नाउ इट्स पार्टिकल इज मूविंग टूवर्ड्स ईस्ट, मतलब कि इन दिस डायरेक्शन फॉर 2 सेकेंड विथ अ वेलोसिटी 15 मीटर पर सेकेंड. मतलब कि सपोज यहाँ पे आ गया पार्टिकल, दैट्स इनिशियल. नाउ दिस पार्टिकल इज मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ. सो नॉर्थ मतलब कि इस तरफ. ओके. फॉर 8 सेकेंड कंसिडर करो कि पार्टिकल सपोज यहाँ पे आ गया, पता नहीं कहाँ पे आ गया. कंसिडर व्हाट इज दिस d1, द स्पीड इज सपोज v1, दिस स्पीड इज सपोज v2. सो इट इज d2 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, v2 t2, d1 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, v1 t1, v1 t1. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड, एवरेज वेलोसिटी. मतलब कि इनिशियल पोजीशन है और ए फाइनल पोजीशन है, तो फिर डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हुआ, देखो इतना हुआ कि नहीं, दैट इज अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो इट इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. व्हाट इज इट एक्चुअली, राइट एंगल. सो फाइंड दिस एवरीथिंग. सो व्हाट इज द गिवन डेटा, write down the all the data. So t1 is equal to 2 second, v1 is equal to 15 meter per second, t2 is equal to 8 second and v2 is equal to 5 meter per second. So what is the final answer? See, if you calculate this, so what is d1? So d1 is equal to v1 t1, means distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to what, speed into time. So v1 t1, so v1 t1, see given here v1 is equal to what, 15, t1 is equal to 2. So answer is what, 30 meter. What is d2? So d2 is equal to v2 t2. So v2 कितना है 5, t2 कितना है 8. So 8 5 is 40 मीटर. तो मतलब कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हुआ, डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हुआ. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट d is equal to total d1 plus d2, sorry, under root d1 square plus d2 square. Why? Pythagoras rule. See, this is a right angle triangle. तो यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस टोटल d1 प्लस d2 होता है, लेकिन डिस्प्लेसमेंट तो इतना ही हुआ ना, I2f. एक्चुअली डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हुआ, I2F ही हुआ ना, तो आंसर क्या होगा देखो, √30² + 40², सो आंसर होगा 50 मीटर. यू जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व आउट दिस. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड एवरेज वेलोसिटी. सो एवरेज वेलोसिटी इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हुआ 50 अपॉन टोटल टाइम कितना लगा T1 + C2, T1 + T2, तो इतना सॉल्व आउट कर लेना. ठीक है, आंसर इज इन मीटर पर सेकेंड बाय योर सेल्फ. So that's remaining is in homework. T1 है, T2 है, so you get the final. Okay, all of you guys must be not this. Then after we are go to the next. Okay, not it. Let's see. Say answer is also given. कितना है, कुछ 5 मीटर पर सेकंड यहाँ पे लिखा है, तो ऐसा कुछ आएगा आंसर. देख लेते हैं 5 मीटर पर सेकंड. You just try to solve. You get this answer. Okay. Let's see comes to this next one. One another example which is on average speed. A motor car covers 1/3 part of a total distance with a 10 km per hour, second 1/3 part with a 20 km per hour, and third 1/3 part with a 60 km per hour. What is the average speed of the car? What is the average speed of the car? Very simple है, देखो यहाँ. Suppose car is somewhere here, second time car is somewhere here, and third time car is somewhere here. Total distance is covered to be D. Consider. Total distance cover is supposed to be D. Then the first is what? D/3. एक्चुअली 3 टाइम्स है ना, तो फिर यहाँ पे एक बार और ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. चलो, so initially car is somewhere here and the D is supposed to be this one actually. Okay, so that is total D. So first D third time, second and third, मतलब 1/3 1/3 1/3 3 times. So here what is the speed? What is the speed in first case? 10 means V1. यहाँ पे given है तो directly use the symbols. First time V1, second time V2 और third time V3. That is the initial position. That is the final. ऐसा कुछ दिया हुआ है. For motor car is somewhere here. See, initially somewhere here. First 1/3 distance covered with the speed 10. Second 1/3 distance covered with the speed 20, and third 1/3 distance covered with the speed 60. So what is the average speed of the car? So let's see, find average speed. V is equal to distance upon time. ऐसा ही है कुछ. Every time we use this equation. So what is total distance? D/3 plus D/3 plus D/3 means T1 plus D2 plus D3 upon total time T1 plus T2 plus T3. So what is D/3? So total D/3 plus D/3 by total distance कितना हुआ? D हुआ. Okay, what is T1? So use this formula. Use this. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Use this formula. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay, so let's we solve as this. So what is this? D1 upon V1 plus D2 upon V2 plus D3 upon V3. Okay, so let's see put this all values. So average V, what is D? So D कितना है? तो D तो D है, कुछ दिए ही नहीं तो जाने दो. D1 कितना है? D/3. Okay, V1 कितना है? V1 is a 10, so into 10 plus D/3 है, सेकेंड भी उसका V2 कितना है? 20, so into 20 plus D3 कितना है? वो भी D/3 है और उसकी स्पीड कितनी है? 60. So put this all value. See, in a numerator denominator D cancel out. D cancel out. What is this final answer? It is equal to 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 180 है ना. You just multiply. So this remaining task is in homework. Solve out this problem by yourself. Okay, now only calculation is remaining, so that's remaining task in homework. You just try to solve this example by yourself. Okay, all of you guys must be not this. So answer, you get this answer 18 km/h. Okay, means after calculating you get this answer 18 km/h. You just try to solve out. Okay.